This next lesson is going to teach you how to build chord progressions within a key of music. And this will be true for any key, but we're going to work in the key of C since it's the easiest to start with. And then you can take this and apply it to any other key that you want to work on. So here we're in the key of C. There's our root note. If we apply our every other note technique to come up with a C major chord, that's what we're going to call chord 1, since that is the first note in what we call the 7-note scale. That's called a diatonic scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's note 1 of the diatonic scale. The chromatic scale, by the way, is including the half steps. So that's called the chromatic scale. There's 12 notes in it. Diatonic scale, there's 7 notes. So we're going to work on the 7-note structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's note 1. So here would be chord 1. Okay. Now, a rule in music is every key has 3 major chords and 4 minor chords. This is just kind of how it works because of the structure of the keyboard. So in order, again, to create a major chord, we have to count the 4 half steps up from the root and 3 more half steps up from the middle note, which is called the mediant, okay? So the only 2 other chords in this key that works for is F and G. So if we look at F and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, there's F major. The same thing for G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's G major. Now every other chord in that key is what we would call a minor chord, because with the A, that's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the minor chord structure. B minor up to a C major. So here's what we've got. C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B minor, and then C major again. So you're going to have 1, 4, and 5 as your 3 major chords in the key of C. So there's your 3 major chords for the key of C.